In this video, I will show you how you can find your Gmail password if you forget it. If you forget your Gmail password, then how you can find it from your phone. Open the Gmail app. From here, tap on the top right corner on your profile picture. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. Then you will find many options there and find Security and Signed in. From here, scroll down, you will find Password Manager. Tap on Password Manager. Here you will find all the accounts you are signed in with your Gmail. Scroll down, you will find Gmail. Tap on Gmail. You may need to verify it's you. Here you will find the email address and password. You can copy the password, or if you tap on the I button, then you can see the password also. You can edit and delete the password also. From here, tap on google.com. Then you will find all the Gmail addresses of your phone. You can copy the password from the copy link, from the copy icon, and you can see the password by tapping the I button. You can also edit and delete the password also. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this was very helpful for you. Please give a like and subscribe to the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.